to pursue their dream and achieve their full potential. The circles of gender-based violence was finally being broken, and a better future awaited the young girls of the village. Yes. As the sun sets, Blessing looked at a being in the village with hope and determination, knowing that our fights against gender-based violence and our promotion of sexual and reproductive health and rights has made a lasting impact on the lives of our peers and the future generation to come. And so, the legacy of Blessing and our voices of change lived on inspiring others to stand up for what is right and just. Yes, exactly. And to create a world where every child has the opportunity to learn, grow, and succeed. Importantly, voices of change movement enable parents to help girls who have been forced to drop out of school either to enroll again to their former school or a transition to institution for various skill-based courses. After completion of their studies, they were placed in income generating projects and had a livelihood that brought social transformation